Yo, what's going on, guys? What a phenomenal day this turned out to be, huh? A lot of potential for a big crash, but we didn't see it, guys. Powell dodging and dancing around questions about how he feels about Trump like crazy, tap danced his way into some bullish comments for the markets, and away we go, right? I believe we've seen the green light for the next leg up in this bull run. And we're going to get into it. We're going to look at Onyx coin. We're going to clear up a little bit of confusion with XCN. There's a little bit of confusion with this whole 4 days left countdown thing, and I'm going to clear it up for you guys, okay? Because I'm getting asked about it all day. So we're going to talk about it. And we got some Jasmy AI updates here, so let's get into it, guys. Jasmy up 6.9% on the day, up 2.6% on the week, down 18.3% on the month, but up 405% on the year. We're up one spot in rank to 79, $1.28 billion market cap, and the volume still needs to be a little bit higher, but 99.98 million. Not bad, but I need to see a couple hundred million more. We're also going to look at Swift, by the way, guys. XCN having itself a good day, up 22.7% on the day, up 200% on the week, 1,465% on the month, and 2,793% on the year. Guys, listen, we were buying this project in March over on the Patreon. Do you have any idea how many seven-figure portfolios that XCN has printed over on the Patreon for our community? It's been insane, guys. And listen, we're looking at 3 other gems right now that are going to do phenomenal. Get in early on these plays. Before you see this kind of pump, get in early. We got a $1.17 billion market cap. We're up 14 spots in rank to 82. And we have 561.33 million in volume. Not too bad. Swift having itself a good time as well. Up 23.5% on the day, up 208% on the week, 245% on the month, and up 1,271% on the year. Up 37 spots in rank to 248, $233.27 million market cap, volume 62.22 million. Now, you might think that sounds low, but guys, we're used to having about 4 million in volume, so it's actually running up very nicely. All right, let's look at some charts, guys. Let's go look at Jasmy first. And what do we have? Well, we have good news, guys. I've been saying it. We bounced perfectly off the bottom trend line, and we have worked our way up, guys. We are currently above the 200-day SMA, which is what I said I wanted to see. We're above it right now, guys. We're at 2 cents 646. The 200-day SMA is at 2 cents 590. So we may continue up overnight. Next resistance level is probably going to be the 100-day SMA up here, sitting at 2 cents 973 right now. The breakout is coming, guys. Jasmy is gearing up. RSI is still just a little tiny bit into the oversold, still 42.59. Let's go look at XCN. What's going on over here, guys? We have a breakout commencing on XCN as we speak, guys. We have broken out of this bull pennant after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of consolidation. And now we have broken out of it, guys. What we need to see for the continuation is, listen, this could continue running tonight. XCN has been doing that a lot lately, breaking through and just continuing to run up in the at nighttime, in the middle of the night. But what matters is that we get this candle close right here that we're in right now. We need to close it outside of this bull pennant, right, to confirm the breakout, and then we could see another move to the upside. So that's what we will be waiting for confirmation on. That will come tomorrow, and the higher we go tonight, the more likely the confirmation will be, right? Like, look at this one, this candle down here. We had the breakout, and then we just kept going. And confirmed, we closed the candle outside of here, which confirmed the breakout, right? So very, very bullish, guys. All right, let's have a look over at Swift. What's Swift doing right now? Something very similar, guys. We have put in our higher low here, broke out of a pennant, broke to the upside, broke out of a pennant, bull pennant, broke to the upside. Here we are again. We wick down, guys, to support here at the local high, the local high that we broke through earlier. And we tested it as support, which is very bullish, guys. You got to retest levels for support before continuing to the upside. We're sitting at 2 cents, 337. I think a big move on Swift is coming in the short term here, guys. Look how high we've wicked in the last few days. We wicked all the way up to 3 cents, 78. Can we get that action going again, guys? I think we can. We held support nicely here as well, right at the 2 cent level. So further continuation to the upside possibly this week. Now listen, guys, I'm going to tell you this over on the Bitcoin chart, okay? There's something I want you to be aware of. It's not 100%, but it's possible. That's why I have to tell you about it. So we're using right now this trend line here as resistance. We collapsed down below it here. It was setting up higher low after higher low. We broke the trend to the downside. We wicked all the way down here and then closed the candle back up over $101,000, which is exactly what we needed to do. Now we are working our way back up after the FOMC meeting news, but we are using this trend line as resistance right now. What we have to do is we got to break above that, obviously. And then what the real resistance is $106,200 here. We have a big sell wall right here. It's been resistance for quite a while now, so we have to break through there. My target out of there would be about $118,000 to $120,000. However, there is a slight chance, okay, that we could see a bear trap, right? And what I mean by that is we could see market manipulation. We could see Bitcoin dump to the downside briefly, just long enough to convince the bears to put in some shorts, and we may see them get liquidated, okay? And what's going to cause that, in my opinion, what could cause that? Now, this is not 100%. This is just you guys being, aware of the potential of what could happen, okay? So we could see, look at all these longs that have been put in, guys. We could drop all the way down to $99,800 and we would liquidate $878 million in longs, okay? So we could see that liquidation happen, which would drop us down to around 100,000. We could wick down there, liquidate all of this, and then come back up, right? This is what's got me a little bit spooked. We could see a bear trap, and then when we drop down here, you're going to see more and more of these shorts start to get put in, which is then going to come back and liquidate all of those shorts. So I'm just saying it's not 100%, but it is something I want you guys to be aware of. If we do see a brief crash to the downside, do not sweat it, guys. It's a liquidation event, just going after liquidity in the market, and then probably a bounce right back up to the upside in the very, very short term. So could see a V-shaped recovery afterwards, a little bit of a bear trap. Nothing to sweat about. Just be advised that it could happen. So if it does, I don't want to see you freak out about it, okay? A little bit of Onyx news here, guys. So this only 8 days remain situation. People have been asking me about this all day, especially on the Patreon. People are like, is this the Binance listing? Is this the Binance? Guys, no, this is not the Binance listing. That's not what this is. This is not a countdown to get listed on Binance, okay? This is a countdown for the release of the white paper, the new updated white paper, and the release of XCN Ledger, their new blockchain, okay? That's what this is the countdown for. And they even say it right here. They say only 8 days remain. It's actually down to 4 days now, but I just grabbed this. It says only 8 days remain until we unveil the most significant XCN updates to date, featuring a brand new white paper and details for a new blockchain we've been developing in stealth, the Onyx XCN Ledger, okay? That's what this countdown is about. It is not about the Binance listing. The Binance listing is going to be something completely different, okay? But I do think that is coming in the very, very near term. But that's not what the countdown is. I just wanted to sort that out. A lot of confusion out there, guys. See, here it is. 4 more days left. This is the updated one. Till the XCN revolution, the new white paper, blockchain updates are about to be redefined. Everything prepare for mind-blowing features, massive upgrades, and the future of crypto. Get ready. This is huge, okay? So that's what we're talking about here, guys. And also, XCN put this out as well. They say, would you like to see another XCN AMA? Let us know your thoughts and suggestions below. Here are my comments on that, guys. The last AMA was hot dog shit, okay? They're saying that it's an AMA, but it's not really an AMA. I know because the last time they did an AMA, I had one of the ambassadors on my side, and we were trying to get them to do the AMA on the channel. And they outright refused to dox themselves. They refused to be on any channel whatsoever. So what their version of an AMA is they're going to take in a bunch of community questions and they will answer them in text on Telegram. There will not be an actual AMA conversation of any kind. If they're referring, they're saying another. So if they're doing it the same way they did it before, while I appreciate it and I'm not fudding it or anything, doing that, just answering some questions, like 10 questions in Telegram, is kind of like hot dog shit. It's not an AMA really, but we'll take what we can get at the end of the day, right? So there's that. Moving over to Jasmy. What do we got? Visit our friend of the channel, Neo Extrix. Make sure you give him a follow, like I always say, guys. He says, while tools like ChatGPT and more recently DeepSeek collect all the data from your conversations and other interactions, Jasmy has been thinking about solving this issue for a long time. With their technology, they enable generative AI through Junction to be both ethical and truly decentralized. Exactly. Continuing on that path, again, visiting Neo Extrix, Sato, CEO of Jasmy, highlights that despite the excitement around generative AI, there remains a risk of sensitive data being entered and unintentionally absorbed into the system, leading to potential leaks. Therefore, integrating Jasmy's data protection technology with AI, Junction, will give rise to a personalized AI, enabling a private and secure usage without compromising confidentiality. Absolutely, guys. Jasmy is coming out with that GPT AI product that's going to actually secure your data, right? So let me know what you guys think about that. Are you excited about the AMA from Onyx Coin? Is it something you're interested in? And yeah, hopefully you guys are clear about the whole, the whole countdown thing, right? We also have the vote for a burn to look forward to and so much more, guys, when it comes to catalysts. Now, listen, guys, we spoke about it at the beginning of the video. We got into Onyx Coin back in March of last year, right? And some of you might be tired of hearing me saying this, but I'm telling you right now, guys, the whole point is to get into these projects before they pump thousands of percents, right? That's what you want to do. You don't want to be following around green candles. Everyone's been asking me about ACH lately and stuff. And yes, it's a fantastic project, guys, but don't go chasing green candles on projects you weren't already in, right? It doesn't work out good for you. I promise. I've been here a long time, right? You want to be scooping up things that nobody else is paying attention to. And right now, we have 3 gems over on the Patreon that not many people are paying attention to. And one in particular, I'm extremely bullish about and confident that it could move as high as, if not higher, than XCN. So I'm very bullish on it, guys. You're going to want to check these projects out. The Patreon has been exploding. There's over 1,000 people over there now, guys. We do live group sessions over there every day, live AMAs. You can ask all the questions that you need, get the answers and the guidance that you need. We have a lot of experienced people in crypto there who are also answering a lot of questions and helping out as well. You need to get into this kind of community, guys. If you've never been to a bull run before, surround yourself with the community that can help guide you. You're not going to regret it, okay? You can join our group AMAs live every single day. You can schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. And the live chats are going 24/7 as well, guys, and they're always popping off. Everyone loves the community. Everyone's having a good time. Get in early on these plays. We're looking at 3 right now, guys. I just uploaded a brand new video to the Patreon today, updating all of the brand new members on the newest gem picks that we're looking at so that you guys can go have a look at them yourselves as well. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.